Hi. In this video, we are going to see how to create expense report in Fusion Expenses. We logged in through an employee account and navigated to Expenses work area. Click on Create Expense Report from Action tab. Alternatively, we can also create expense report under Expense Report Info tile. Click on Create button. Enter the purpose of your expense report. Let's take an example of trip to Texas. Add the supporting at expense report level, or you can also add supporting at each expense item level. Select the payment method, like check or wire, in which you want your employer to reimburse the money. Add a new expense item to this expense report, or you can also add the existing expense item, which you have saved earlier. In the example, we are going to create new expense item. Click on Create button. Enter the date of expenses incurred. Choose the expense template if applicable. Choose the expense type, based on the categories of expenses, like entertainment, meals, accommodation, etc. In the given case, we will select personal vehicle. Select the expense location. Based on the expense type, we need to enter relevant details. For example, we are asking for personal vehicle used, reimbursement from company. The relevant details which need to fill are trip distance, vehicle category, destination, etc. Now, in the given case, company expense policy is that they reimbursed the amount based on a certain rate, and on the basis of the category of vehicle. Enter the trip distance. Select the vehicle category. Click on Calculate. Enter the destination. Add the attachment or the supporting detail, if any. You can also click on Missing button to indicate to the approver that supporting are not available. Click on Save and create another, or click on Save and close. We are going to add one more expense item to the given expense report. Click on Save and create another. For the second expense item also, you need to enter the date of expenses incurred. Select the expense template, if applicable. Select the expense type. In the given case, we are going to select the accommodation expenses. Enter the expense location, in our case it is Texas. Enter the amount, which is reimbursable. In other example, company has set a limit of $15 per day, and in case employee is claiming in excess of the policy, proper justification to be provided. For example, employee is claiming for $25. The indicator shows that we have violated the company policy. Warning: the expense item violates the daily rate, but you are not prevented from submitting the expense report. Proper justification needed to be provided. Enter the justification. In the given case, however, we have violated the company policy, but company policies still allow us to claim the expenses, in case justification is provided properly. Add the attachment. Choose the receipt from your machine. Enter the title. Click on OK. Click on Save and close. The expense report total is showing at the header level. Click on Save. If you want to submit later, click on Submit. If you want to submit now. This receipt contains policy violation. Do you want to continue? Yes. Expense report has been submitted for approval. Click on OK, or alternatively, you can print as well. Thank you.